Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to style a white button-up. It's a staple that every person should have in their closet. You can style it so many ways and I'm going to give you the tea, honey, on how to style it. So for my first outfit, I'm wearing this shirt just on its own with a pair of heels. This look is so effortless, but it's sexy and I love that. I then popped on a mini skirt on top of my shirt and I am a woman who means business in this outfit. It's giving sexy, but it's also giving sophisticated, honey, and I'm here for it. I'm now untucking the shirt over my skirt just to have a bit of security underneath my shirt, and then I popped on a blazer. If you feel uncomfortable with the length of your shirt, feel free to wear biker shorts underneath, feel free to wear a rucksack underneath. It's just up to you and what you're comfortable wearing. I love for them legs to be legging, so I try not to cover them up. I also folded the sleeves over my blazer just to give a pop of white, and boom, look at that. An outfit in literally minutes. I love this outfit so much, and you can dress it up or dress it down. The blazer just adds a bit of business. Okay, I mean business. I'm here to sign contracts and checks, honey, and get that coin. So maintaining that skirt underneath, I'm gonna pop on some socks, and once you have your socks on, you have to do a happy sock dance because you're not a weirdo. After you're done with your happy dance, pop on some feelers on top of that, or some casual sneakers. I got my feelers from Burlington for literally a quarter the price, and I love them so much. And this look is so effortless and casual. Like, look at me. I'm going to pick up the kids from school. The other moms will judge you, but you are going to be a baddie. And I think at the end of the day, that's all that matters. For the next look, I'm popping over a sweatshirt on top of the entire look, and I'm using a shoelace to crop the sweatshirt. This is a handy hack if you want to crop your sweaters, your sweatshirts, anything on top of something that you feel like, what is going to hold the shirt together? Just use a shoelace. And boom, look at this. Look at this. This is such a preppy look. I'm here for it. I absolutely adore this sock and boot combination in this look, and the collar peeking from the top, the sleeves peeking a little bit. I just think it's giving preppy and I'm here for it. For the next look, I'm going to pop on a corset just to cinch in that waist. I'm going to also add some heels to the look, just add some sexy, and boom. Look at that monochrome goodness happening here. I'm here for it. The waist is snatched, the legs are out. I am here for this look, and it's so easy to just put it together and go, and I'm living for it. So next, I'm going to have an all black base. I have a black crop top and some tights, and I have my socks over my tights like a baddie, okay? If you are a baddie or you want to be a baddie, make sure you wear your socks over everything. And I have my casual sneakers. I popped on the shirt on top, and look at this. Such an effortless, casual, running errands. You can even go to spin class in this. Are you going to the gym? Are you going to the movies? You're keeping people guessing, okay? They don't know where you're going, and that's okay, because you're dressed for any and every occasion. I love how simple this look is, and this is one you can find me rocking almost every day. It's just so easy and I love it. So in case you feel like, I don't want to show so much skin, I got you. Button up your shirt, tuck in one side, and boom. Don't tuck in both sides because that's boring. You're cool, okay? And cool people only tuck in one side of their shirt, and this look is just giving casual. It's giving running errands. It's giving going to Trader Joe's and meeting the love of your life. I am here for it and I love it so much. So next up, it's the black. The black is going to be present a lot in this video. I really do love all black outfits. So I'm wearing a cropped shirt and some flared leggings, and I popped on my black converse. The shirt's on top doing what it needs to do, and this look is super casual. I love it so much. Again, if you don't want to show skin, button that shirt up. Make her keep quiet, okay? And I love how loose this look is. The flared pants, the oversized shirt. I'm living for this. It's so casual, and you look like you didn't think about your outfit, but you're so stylish that you don't have to think about anything in life because you're that cool. This is that outfit. It's that it girl outfit, and I'm here for it. By the way, if you're wondering, my shirt is a size large, so I went 2 sizes up from my usual size, and I get get this oversized, beautiful look. My next outfit is basically showing you guys how you can transition your summer pieces into fall, because it's not yet cold enough to pull out those winter jackets. Just pop on a button up on top of your summer dresses and you look effortlessly stylish. That is the theme today. You put so much effort into your looks, but you don't want people to know that, okay? You want it to seem effortless, and I love it. So same thing here. I'm just popping over the shirt on top of a shorter dress. I have my socks and casual sneakers, and boom, a look that is effortless. I am living for this. This is also a look I particularly love rocking because it's just so simple. You don't have to think about it, but it looks like you just, you rolled out of bed looking super stylish, and I love it. So for the next look, I am taking a jumper and throwing it over my shoulders. I've been on TikTok a lot lately, wasting time mostly, but I've seen a lot of new money inspired looks, and they usually drape a sweater over their shoulders. They never wear them, so I'm cool now. You just drape it over your shoulders and you have a look. I'm just rocking some jeans and the oversized button up and some boots, and this look, I love it. So I'm going to be uncool for a second and wear my sweater. Boo, yeah, boring. But we need to be able to maximize our wardrobe. So in case it's a bit chilly and the shoulder sweater thing doesn't work out for you, just wear your sweater. And I use my shoelace hack to crop it just so there's a bit more of the shirt peeking. I made sure everyone was in their place, and boom, we've got an outfit. And now I'm not freezing everything off. I'm actually warm enough. And in case it's a bit colder where you are, you can pop on another jacket and you will have a look that's layered and warm and beautiful. And who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want to feel like they're receiving a hug from their clothes, because they don't get hugs in real life from people? Yes, you can use clothes to substitute emotional connection. So next, moving on swiftly, this look is my favorite look in this entire video. So if you want to rock your crop tops and you're feeling like it's a bit chilly, the kidneys will be freezing off, just add layers to your outfit. So I'm wearing a crop top, my white button up, some flared leggings, some boots, and a blazer on top. This look made me feel so freaking cool. I felt like I was in an Austin Powers movie and I was about to show up and kill all the bad guys and just ruin everyone's life. I just felt like such a badass in this. So for my next outfit, in case you're wearing a really sexy bra and you think, I wish more people could be able to see how good my bra looks today, this is a look for you. So you're wearing your white button up on top of a nice lacy bra and you're letting her peek through, tuck it into a skirt. I switched to my white converse for this, and boom, you have a casual, sexy look that will have you seducing every boy or girl you go on a date with. So you're welcome. Next is a very preppy look. So I put on a cropped sweatshirt on top of the white button up, tucked it into my skater skirt, and popped on some boots, and boom, you're giving dark academia without trying hard. Okay, this is so preppy. I love it. If you have some rings, make sure you add lots of rings to this look. I just love this look so much. And to make it even preppier, baby girl, let's add a blazer on top of this whole shebang, and look at that. You're layered up, you're warm. Well, the legs are going to be freezing, but it's fine. You're going to be looking so hot. No one's going to notice that you're dying of hypothermia. So I love this look so much. The blazer just adds some sophistication to the look, and I'm here for it. So for the next outfit, I tucked in my shirt into a slip skirt and wore my Converse. This is such a casual outfit. I would definitely run errands in this because it's giving I'm not trying hard, but I look so effortlessly stylish. I really love this. If, of course, it's a bit colder where you are, pop on a jacket. No one's stopping you, Jessica, from living your life how you want to. You just customize this to how cold or how hot it is where you are. So yeah, such a simple outfit, but it's giving style. For the next outfit, I popped on some wide leg jeans, and they're from Mango. I really love them. They're so comfortable. I kept the black Converse on, and then I have some shades on my shirt just to show that I'm cool, okay? And in case you feel like I need to bring some new money look to this look, just pop on a sweater over your shoulders. Do not wear it because, as we discussed earlier, that is not cool. I love this final look. I don't know what it is about the shoulder sweater, but it just gives off I've got money vibes, okay? And on that note, that's the end of this video. I am off to pick up my imaginary sons from imaginary horse riding school because that's the vibe that last outfit was giving. Anyway, I hope today's video gave you some inspo on how to style your white shirt. Let me know if you loved the outfits. Let me know which one was your favorite. And I hope you found this video helpful. I am going to go now, but I hopefully will see you in my next video. Until then, be cool. Rock a shoulder sweater.